Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? In this episode of our SketchUp tutorial series, we're diving into a project that many of you have been asking for. We'll be designing a small but highly functional kitchen, right from scratch. The special feature we're adding is a stylish and practical bar counter, perfect for breakfast or entertaining guests. This design is super versatile, and I'm sure you can adapt these ideas for your own home remodeling projects, ready to turn that small space into the kitchen of your dreams. All right, let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you find it helpful. Your support means the world to me. Let's go!
Using SketchUp, let's start modeling a small kitchen with a bar counter beside it. We will put dimensions to help you imagine its size. This is the height of our kitchen counter. Here is now our counter. Let's make a window opening here. Let's create the bar counter. Here is now our bar counter. As you can see, we still have a 1.2 meters working space from all sides. Let's create the overhead cabinet. Let's create a bar shelves here. Let's have a counter shelves here. Let's have a counter shelves and a cabinet here. Let's add a wood material to make it look pleasing. We will also add material to the countertop using a marble stone finish. Let's give a space for the gas range here. Let's bring in the gas range. And voila, here it is. Let's now finish the overhead cabinets. Let's also bring in the refrigerator. And here it is. Let's do the ceiling. Let's bring in the kitchen sink. Let's also bring in the bar stools. Looks good now. Let us make a door and window opening. Let's put a wood material on the flooring. This space is for the dining area. Let's put handles on the cabinet doors. Let's bring in also the door and window. I think a window here beside the bar would be great. Looks great. What do you think? Let's bring in more kitchen stuff. It looks good now. Maybe, let's just put some design on the ceiling and we're done. Let us work on with the ceiling and bring in some lighting fixtures. Let's put pendant light on the bar ceiling. Okay, we're almost done. Let's render this to have a photorealistic result. We color the wall a pastel yellow to make it more pleasing. Now let's V-Ray render it in different view angle. Here is now our finished product, a V-Ray render of our small, but fully functional kitchen. Did you like it? Please leave a comment below. Thanks.
And that's a wrap. What a journey through SketchUp's essential tools. We've covered so much ground today, from drawing with the line tool to creating perfect shapes with the rectangle and offset tools. We brought our designs to life in 3D using the powerful push-pull tool and ensured everything was precise with the tape, measure, and dimension tools. Then came the fun part, applying materials and colors to give our project personality and populating our scene by adding and placing 3D objects. We navigated our 3D space like pros using the orbit and pan tools. And for the grand finale, that awesome trick for creating multiple copies. Just select your object. Use the Move tool. Press Ctrl while dragging and type something like 3rex to multiply it instantly. I hope you've learned a ton and feel more confident in SketchUp. That's all for now. Have a productive day creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.